Have you ever thought about turning your knowledge into an income stream? Whether you're skilled at graphic design, cooking, mathematics, languages, fitness, music, marketing, programming, photography, or even a hobby you've spent years learning, there are platforms that allow people to share what they know with others online. Today, online learning has become a massive industry. Millions of people use the internet every day to learn new skills, improve their careers, prepare for exams, start businesses, and pursue personal interests. As a result, many platforms now connect learners with instructors, tutors, coaches, and subject matter experts. In this video, we'll look at 5 popular websites that allow people to teach online. I'll explain how each platform works, who it's best suited for, and what you should know before getting started. It's important to remember that success on any teaching platform depends on factors such as quality of the content, your experience, student demand, competition, and the amount of effort you put into building your presence. So yeah, let's get started. And number 5 in today's list is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where instructors create video-based classes for students around the globe. Popular categories include graphic design, illustrations, photography, video editing, business, productivity, writing, animation, marketing, and technology content. One reason many creators like Skillshare is that courses can be relatively short compared to traditional educational programs. Instead of creating a lengthy academic course, instructors often focus on practical skills that students can learn and apply. For example, someone might teach Canva design, smartphone photography, social media content creation, video editing techniques, or productivity strategies. Creating successful classes require clear instructions, good presentation skills, and valuable information that students find very useful. The platform may not be ideal for everyone, but for creators who enjoy producing educational content, it can be an interesting option to explore. And then moving to number 4 in today's list is Udemy. Udemy is one of the largest online learning marketplaces in the entire globe. The platform hosts courses across thousands of subjects, including programming, business, marketing, finance, personal development, language learning, design, and many others. What makes Udemy unique is that instructors can create comprehensive courses and make them available to students globally. Many instructors focus on helping students solve specific problems or learn practical skills. For example, a course might teach Excel, digital marketing, project management, web development, graphic design, or public speaking. Because there are many instructors on the platform, competition can be significant in popular categories. For that reason, creating high quality content and identifying a clear target audience can be very crucial in this particular platform for long-term success. And then moving to number 3 in today's video is Preply. Preply focuses primarily on tutoring and one-on-one learning. The platform is well known for language instruction, but tutors can also teach other subjects depending on platform's guidelines and students' demands. Students use the platform to find tutors who can help them improve skills, prepare for exams, learn new languages, and achieve personal learning goals. One advantage of tutoring platform is the opportunity for direct interaction with students. Rather than recording a course once, tutors can answer questions, provide feedbacks, and personalize lessons. This teaching style can be rewarding for individuals who enjoy helping others in a more interactive environment. As with many other tutoring platforms out there, building a strong profile, demonstrating expertise, and receiving positive student reviews can help improve visibility. And then moving to number 2 in today's video is Teachable. Teachable, unlike marketplaces that bring students to a platform, Teachable allows creators to build and host their own online courses. Think of it as a platform that provides the tools needed to organize lessons, upload videos, create educational materials, and manage students. Many entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and educators use Teachable to create independent learning businesses. For example, someone with expertise in fitness, business, content creation, graphic design, cooking, music, or personal development may choose to package their own knowledge into a structured learning experience. One benefit is that creators have greater control over branding and course presentation. However, creators are often responsible for attracting their own audience through marketing, content creation, or community building. And then moving to number one, which is actually one of the best in the entire globe, is Coursera. Coursera is one of the most recognized online learning platforms in the entire globe. The platform partners with universities, educational institutions, and organizations to provide learning opportunities across a wide range of subjects. Many learners use Coursera to develop professional skills, earn certificates, and expand their knowledge. For educators and institutions, Coursera provide access to a large audience interested in structured learning experiences. The platform is often associated with high-quality educational content and professional development. While opportunities to teach on Coursera may differ from creators-driven platforms, it remains an important part of the online education ecosystem. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how you can get started on most of these teaching platforms. The first step is identifying a skill, subject, or area of knowledge that you can confidently teach. This could be anything from graphic design, video editing, and digital marketing to mathematics, cooking, fitness, language tutoring, music lessons, or productivity skills. Next, spend some time researching what students are already looking for. Many successful instructors focus on solving a specific problem rather than teaching a broad topic. For example, instead of teaching graphic design, you might teach Canva design for beginners or creating social media graphics. Once you've chosen your topic, create a professional profile that clearly explains your experience and what students can expect to learn. If the platform allows it, include examples of your work, certifications, portfolio items, or previous teaching experience. For tutoring platforms, you may need to set your availability and prepare lesson plans. For course platforms, you will usually need to record lessons, upload learning materials, and organize your content into modules. When it comes to earnings, there is no guaranteed amount. Some instructors earn little to nothing if they never attract students, while others build large audiences over time, meaning they basically earn more. Earnings depend on factors such as course quality, student demand, pricing, reviews, marketing efforts, and consistency. Many beginners may start by earning modest amounts while learning how the platform works. As they gain experience, improve their content, and build positive reviews, some instructors are able to increase their reach and attract more students. Most teaching platforms provide payment methods such as bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, Stripe, or other regional payment options. Available withdrawal methods depend on the specific platform and your country of residence, so it's always a good idea to review the platform's payment policies before even signing up. The most important thing to remember is that online teaching is often a long-term process. Building trust, creating valuable content, and helping students achieve results can make a significant difference over time. These are basically 5 popular platforms that allow people to share their knowledge through online teaching, tutoring, coaching, and educational content. Whether you're interested in creating courses, tutoring students, or building an educational brand, there are more opportunities than ever to teach online. Now, key is focusing on providing genuine value, understanding the needs of learners, and continuously improving your teaching skills. Remember that results vary from person to person. Building an audience, attracting students, and creating effective educational content often takes time and effort. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you could teach one skill online, what would it be? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about online opportunities, freelancing, remote work, digital skills, and educational platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.